Good evening, ma.
Good evening, my daughter. Hope all is well.
Yes, ma. I'm here to see NK.
Nkechi Bem.
Yes, ma.
Nkechi!
What are you doing here?
I'm here to see you, NK.
You are here to see me. I am not ready to listen to you. And if you know what is good for you, you better leave here right now, you filthy thing.
Listen, I understand the reason you're angry with me. Honestly, I do. I will not pretend not to know why. But I'm here to tell you that Chima has dumped me as well.
What?
Yes. He dumped me for Amaka.
Which Amaka?
The Amaka that you know. The rumor of their marriage that you've been hearing is true. So you see, I am not the bad person here. Amaka is. I'll leave now.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come and sit down.
Mama, did you?
Come and sit down.
Amaka.
You're here around. It's okay. It's okay.
Mama, did you hear that?
Come and sit down.
Mama, did you hear that?
It's okay. It's okay. Stop.
Mama, I'm finished.
The cause of Allah will never allow you to be put to shame, okay? It's okay. It's okay.
Chima.
It's okay.
Onye ke mechara Onye ga-azọpụta
have done a wonderful job, and all of you will be rewarded handsomely.
Thank you, my princess.
Our mother is happy for the different roles you all played.
We are happy that the queen found us worthy to assist her in any way.
We're happy that that old dirty woman has left the palace. At least our father can give us just little attention.
And our relevance will be felt again in this palace.
You all will hear from our mother. We need to go. High five! High five! High five! High five! Let's go!
Thank you, my princess.
Thank you, my princess. Where is that stupid girl, Amaka? Idiot, come out! Amaka, where are you? Bad snitch, come out! Yeah, my friend. Look at her. Come here, Amaka, my friend, come out! Nonsense. We are the ones that are looking for you. Compound like that. And so, are you there for have you gone flight? Which of their both? Are you mad? Wait. So you think you are smart? Oh, you think you have sense? Eh? You deceive both of us and made Chima dump us. Oh, you think you are smart, eh? You this filthy thing. Look at yourself. You idiot. Too much. Hold on. Was it not the same you? You do think it was it not the same you that stopped me on the road and you were telling me how bad Chima is, how bad of a person is, Chima this, Chima that, and here you are. Really? You are mad. Very stupid girl. Listen, as far as all of us are in this village, that will never happen. At all. Let it sink. It will never happen. You know what? I have always known that the both of you are very idle. Yes! That is why you left your father's houses, walk into this compound like a mad goat, shouting and ranting. But you know, I have good news for the two of you. I was so you. Thank God you said Chima left you, dumped you. Of course, he is where you found peace of mind. Yes! Okay. Chima found peace of mind with me, Amaka. You just do your worst. Shut up! You're a snitch. You told me the other day that Chima was going after Lebechi. You are a big snitch. God, I thought you should be a fool. I will do you to my house. I will do you. Yes, I will do you. Let me give you one blow, 7 apples. Come and fight me. Nala. Hey, come back.
It's okay, go inside. It's okay, go inside. Don't mind them.
You would have just
let me see both of you here again.
You would have just leave them. I can deal with them.
Go.
I want to show my Jack Chan style.
Yeah, go inside. That one slapped me.
Lebechi, we are ashamed of you girls. Both of you acted like desperados. Must you fight Amaka over a man?
I know that what we did was wrong. But you're saying this because you do not know the enormity of her offense. Amaka betrayed my trust.
Oh, really? Are you serious right now? When you snatched Chima away from Kiru, did anybody fight you?
I did not snatch Chima. Chima told me he had nothing to do with her anymore.
Okay, my dear. See. No man is worth dying for in this life.
I'm sorry. I already said I'm sorry and you people are still here blaming me.
You and NK should go and apologize to Amaka.
Yes.
Because what you did to her is not fair.
Very wrong. That's the only condition for us to forgive you and accept you as friends again. So think about it.
But I just said I am sorry.
Go and say that to Amaka.
Ogo,
let's
go please.
Seriously, I don't like the way they disgraced that old woman to the palace yesterday.
You see, I wasn't surprised at all.
Wait, you are not surprised?
Yes, because so many people were against her.
Wait. Are you telling me she's not guilty of the offense she committed that led to her eviction?
Well, I think that old woman was innocent. I also think that those that doesn't like her did everything to make sure that she was injected. Yes.
I feel pity for her.
Oh, wait, were you guys actually discussing about the old man that they were sent out of the palace yesterday?
Nobody was discussing about anybody. Eh? Yeah, guy, I'm out of here.
If you are looking for who to gossip with, go back and search your fellow nobles. As for you, I don't have the time.
What is wrong with these guys? I'm not blaming them.
What have you come here to do? So you want to come and fight Amaka again? I will advise both of you to leave here now. Get out!
No. Sandu. Please, we are here to see Amaka, that's all.
Yes. See who? See Amaka?
Please,
see her for what?
Just allow us see Amaka. Oh, Sandu,
Madam, Amaka is busy. And I am not sure she is in the right mood to see the both of you now. I will advise you again. Leave here now. Get out! Chupwa. Come on! Where are you going to?
Amaka, please. That's why we've come to apologize to you for fighting with you over China. Please forgive us.
Please. Amaka, we are very sorry. Please. Please, don't get it.
Hold it. Now, I need the two of you to take your two left legs out of this compound this very minute. Get out!
Also, get out!
Amaka, please now.
Leave! Amaka, it has not gotten to that. Please. We are our friend, that's why we are here to apologize.
Exactly. We are sorry.
Bikon,
Ami, baby. Please. Forgive them for everything they've done. Please. Nina. Yes. They've apologized. Please.
I also want all of us to come together as friends.
It's because of you. Oh. It's because of the both of you I'm trying to forgive these people. Friend. Do you know what they did to me?
I don't know.
Be calming down.
Ami.
Ami, baby.
Just
Ami. Oh, actually go. My jam.
Just forgive me.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Anyway.
Amaka, congratulations.
Thank you. I want to use this opportunity to invite you, my friends, to our traditional marriage.
Amen.
Congratulations. Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Why? Come, let's start.
She will come.
Come here, let me serve.
Okay.
Hey! Serve them what? Whose drink? My drink. You want to serve to who?
Oson, to calm down now. We have already apologized to her.
You have apologized, but not to my drink. Let me
I'll give them biscuits. I'll give them biscuits.
Hey, give them biscuits.
I'll give them biscuits.
Let me not see you touch my drink here.
Don't mind him. Come on.
Oson, you're too hyper. Congratulations. Happy for you.
Is the coast clear?
Yes, continue to be careful.
I so much missed you.
I missed you too, and my body needs it now.
That's it.
Take it easy now.
Okay, then let's go inside. Let's go inside immediately.
What are we waiting for? Let's go, follow me.
Ebo! Leave my wife alone. Ebo, leave my wife alone, oh, Ebo! Hey! As for you, Evelyn, you think I don't know what you have been doing? Don't worry. I will report you to the king and his council. Evelyn, I will report you to the woman.
I'm sorry, my husband.
Leave me alone.
It's not like...
Leave me alone.
It's not like I did anything, though.
Leave me alone. I will report you to the woman.
Can we go? And I am sorry.
Daddy.
Yes.
I'm proud to have you as a father.
Why did you say that?
You're the best dad in the whole world.
Well, my beautiful princesses, coming from you, I'm overwhelmed. Should I tell you something? You are the best children in this world and I love you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, my beautiful princesses.
You know, I have always prayed for us to be this happy and united. And I'm very happy it's happening now.
My beautiful queen, let's just say the gods have answered your prayers. We will always remain happy.
Of course.
Always.
You will only be happy when I say so.
You again. Stay away from my family! What have we done to you? What is it? Leave us alone!
I am here to take away your little happiness.
No! That is not going to happen. It's not going to happen! You will do no such thing! Guards!
I dare you to try to stop me, Igwe Chidebube. Princesses, come.
No, I won't let you take my children. No!
Come on, princesses. Come to me.
Princess.
Come.
No.
So, you see, such moonlight tale made us believe that tortoise is the most cunning animal on earth.
Okay. Mommy, where could tortoise be found?
Where could tortoise be found? Well, he normally lives around water and cold mountainous environment.
Okay. But what do they eat?
What do they eat? Humans! Don't mind me, I'm just kidding. Were you scared? Okay. They feed on insects like crickets, worms, and small fishes.
Worms?
Yeah.
Your Highness, what would you like me to prepare for breakfast?
Maybe Plantain. No! Tea! No, plantain.
It's breakfast, so it has to be tea.
No.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Just get us out. Plantain and tea.
Yay!
Okay. Oh, my lord. Where are you headed?
How are you?
I'm fine, Daddy.
How are you?
Fine. Where are you headed?
I have a meeting with Aqua. That's where I'm going. I'll see you guys when I come back. What is this?
NK, Lebechi, please, I want to use this opportunity to beg for your forgiveness. Please. See, if there's anything I've done to you, to wrong you girls, please forgive me. See, I cut off the relationship as soon as I found out that it's not going to work for both of us.
Well, it's okay. There's nothing we can do. We understand. Abi?
It's not like I have much to say. This thing is not a do or die affair.
Of course.
After all, we've moved on with our lives, right?
Yes.
So, it's okay. We're fine.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, my good friends. My prayer is that God is going to give you your perfect man, just the way he has given Chima to me.
So he's yours now, eh?
Yes.
Well, you're lucky. Let's conclude on the arrangements on your wedding. Yes.
My bridal train will soon be ready.
Okay. We will soon be ready, or is ready?
He's ready already.
He's ready. Okay. I'm not bringing so we'll see. I wonder. Hey, watch out. Let me get it so we'll see now. Happy baby. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Get the way. You're doing well. You're doing well. Happy.
Open the door for me.
Why did Igwe come to look for the old woman that he asked to leave the palace?
I don't know.
Let's see what happens.
Move it! Move it! Meso! Meso!
Papa, you're back?
Yes, have you done cooking?
Yes, Papa, I'm almost through. When I'm done, I'll get your food.
What is your sister about?
Uncle just stepped out. She went to the nearby store here to buy detergent for washing. She'll be back soon.
It's alright.
Okay, Papa. Papa, yes, Papa.
What is it?
Have you heard the news?
Had what?
Papa, as I just went out to buy the detergent for the washing, I heard that the two princesses suddenly started to converse and they slopped. And I also heard that, yes, that they are still unconscious. May the gods forbid.
Are you sure of this?
Papa, why will I say such thing if I'm not well informed? The news is spreading everywhere like a wildfire.
I have to get to the palace immediately.
No, Papa.
What is
The food is ready.
Don't worry. When I come back, I eat, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes. Let me get to the palace. Oh my God.
Your Majesty, what brings you to my shrine?
I'm looking for Aqua. I've been finding her. I went to where she lives. She wasn't there.
want to see her or you want to see someone that will interpret your dreams and heal your daughters?
Aqua is the only one that can interpret my dreams. She is the only person that can revive my children.
And you let her live for something that she didn't do.
What do you mean by something she didn't do? Wait a minute. Are you saying that she's not the person who prepared the food with strands of hair and urine as water?
That was a royal conspiracy, Your Majesty. Nobody wanted her in that palace.
Who is responsible for this royal conspiracy?
She has always been the victim of offenses she has never committed. She is the cause and the cause of your terrible nightmares, Your Majesty.
You mean Aqua is responsible for my nightmares?
Yes, and only her can stop them.
Where do I find her? How do I find her?
She has told you the beginning and never told you the end.
So what do I do? Is there anything I need to know?
Look here.
Ozozozosia onye nwe nwe weluo. Ozozozosia onye nwe nwe weluo. N'agbanyeghị n'ụkọ si gboge. Ozozozosia onye nwe nwe weluo. Ozozozosia onye nwe nwe. Ozozozosia onye nwe nwe. Too long, and you cannot hide the truth for too long.
Did you have fun now?
I do.
I don't have strength. Would you wait? I want to ask you something. Would you wait now? I'm waiting.
Ego. Mama. No. No. I will come to the venue immediately I drop my bucket of water. Trust me. Now I love dancing.
Okay, would you hurry up, please?
I will be there before you. Let me tell you, say, I created this special dancing step. I created it with passion. So I'm coming to teach others how to dance it.
Would you please show me?
Yeah, Uju, I trust you. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Somebody help! Hold on. Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Akwachukwu na-enye nwa o. Sinaka Chukwu abịa. Sochi na-enye nwa o. Sinaka Chukwu abịa. Mmadụ adịghị enye nwa n'ụwa. Sinaka Chukwu abịa.
Mark. Wait, what is happening? Calm down. How is she? She have just delivered a bouncing baby boy.
Are you serious? Thank God. How is she? And the baby?
They are fine.
Oh, thank God.
Thank God.
Thank God.
I can't breathe well. Yes.
Thank God.
Sit down, she.
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you.
Surely answer our prayers.
Yes. Please now. Want to help you, please. Now, please do something now. You can't leave her in this condition.
Akwachukwu na-enye nwa o.
Ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa.
Sochi na-enye nwa o.
Ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa.
Mmadụ adịghị enye nwa n'ụwa.
Ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa.
I need to go and hunt for food. Let me go and hunt for food, okay? I'll be back soon.
Give me a son. Nyemunwa nwoke kobirue mani lebem jeri jedimo. Akwachukwu na-enye nwa o.
Ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa.
Sochi na-enye nwa o.
Ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa.
Mmadụ adịghị enye nwa n'ụwa.
Ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa.
Akwachukwu na-enye nwa o.
Ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa.
Sochi na-enye nwa o.
Ọmụmụ si n'aka Chukwu abịa. Ọ gịnị na-eme? Ewo, gịnị na-eme? Ewo,
gịnị na-eme?
Gịnị na-eme?
What is happening?
Ewo, gịnị na-eme? Ewo.
Hey, Obieze! What is going on? Confusion everywhere. Why this happening? Why this happening? What is really wrong? Onye ga-ekwu. Onye ka emejọrọ? Onye ga-azọpụta Obieze? Gịnị na-eme?
Gịnị na-eme? Ewo, gịnị na-eme? Ewo,
Gịnị na-eme?
gịnị
royal family.
He's a baby boy. But who might have left him here to die? Or be eaten by wild animals? What do I do? No, I cannot leave him here to die.
What is happening?
Sorry. I found him in the bush. No.
Sorry.
He was dropped by the mother. Maybe she didn't want him.
Wonder shall never end. How can someone throw her own baby in the bush?
Ako, I don't know. But I brought him here because I already have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 children. I don't need more. I'm still struggling to train my 7 boys and 2 girls. So please, take him and care for him.
Take care. You are aware that I'm richly blessed with both male and female children. I don't need this baby. Please, take him back. I don't need it.
Ako.
Biko.
Ako, you are a kind-hearted midwife. You will find someone who is in dire need of a baby. The baby might even bring luck to them.
I think you are right. Give me the baby. Let me see what I can do.
Thank you so much. May the gods richly increase your wealth and your blessings for what you have done for this child. Thank you so much. I should be on my way.
Email.
Chukwu gozie gị.
This baby is very handsome.
Oh, you can say that again.
How I wish the gods would bless me with such a baby.
My dear good friend. Blessings come to those who sincerely pray and wishes for it.
How do you mean?
The owner of this baby abandoned him in the bush, left him there for wild animals to devour. And a good man saw him and brought him to me.
What?
My dear friend, I actually invited you here because I know you are in need of a baby. Obiagele, would you love and take care of this baby like yours?
Yes, I will, with everything within me. And I'm sure my husband will support me as well.
Okay, in that case, you can have the baby. Yes, have him. I know you will take care of him.
For real?
Yes.
For you? May the gods be praised. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm sure my family will reward you for this kind gesture. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
This was how it happened, Your Majesty.
Please, Great One, who is Queen Obiageli and King Obidike?
There are no King Obidike and Queen Obiageli in Omago's kingdom, Your Majesty.
Please, who are these people and how can I find them?
The supposed Obiageli is Queen Akudo, and the Igbo Obidike is the Igbo Wodike is one of Omago's kingdom. Your father.
My parents?
Akudo is not your biological mother, but Akwa, the old haggard woman. Find her and beg her for her to cancel all the curses that she has placed on the throne. Akwa was being careful. She does not want to mention the correct persons because they are in Umago's kingdom. She's trying to stay out of trouble. Your Majesty, Akwa is your mother. Find her and beg her for her to cancel the curse that she has placed on the throne. If she cancels the curse that she has placed on the throne, it will cancel all the nightmares, all the diverse calamity that has favored the throne, and ensures your wife gives birth to a male child.
How do I find her?
You will find her, but hurry and confirm the truth from Queen Akudo. Now. Hurry, Your Majesty.
My son, what do you want us to talk about? Is it about your recent nightmares?
Recent nightmares? You think that's why I came here? I came here for something more important.
My son, you sound so upset. What's wrong?
Why are you this heartless? Why are you this heartless?
Chidebube. Chidebube, what has come over you? Are you out of your senses?
If there's anyone out of our senses here, that person is you.
Chidebube, because you are the king of Umagun's kingdom, does not give you the audacity to talk to me in that manner. I am your mother. You suckle these two breasts of mine. You mind how you talk.
You lie! Let this be the last time you point the stain at me. You liar! Or you think I'm not aware? You are not my biological mother. Not suck this breast of yours.
What did you just say?
You heard me clearly. Woman, look at you. You think I am not aware you took me from the midwife, Ako? How did you know about Ako? How did I know about Ako? Just like I know about the conspiracy to kill Akugo. Because she was pregnant for my father. Right? You're surprised? How could you be this wicked? How could you be this wicked? You made that woman suffer, and because of that, she cursed the throne.
Was her cause responsible for all the crises we've been going through in this kingdom?
Just like it is responsible for you not being able to have a male child. And it's hunting me now. Take a good look at me.
Gods of our land, I never knew it would get to this point. I was just trying to save my marriage with the Igwe.
You were just trying to save your marriage with the Igwe. Take a good look at me. Look at what your wickedness has done to me! I have never been a happy man. All because of your wickedness!
My son, what do we do?
What do we do? We will find Aqua. And you will apologize to her! And we hope that she lifts the curse.
My son, that will be difficult. Because I have not set my eyes on Akugo ever since then.
Akugo is that old, haggard woman they call Aqua.
What? Are you sure of this?
Look at me very well. Does it look like I am joking? I heard she's very much alive, as well as her son. We will find her, and we will ask her to lift the curse. Akugo. Akugo is Aqua! And her son is very much alive. We will find her. You will ask her for forgiveness. And then we'll plead for her to lift the curse. Akugo, how do I find you?
Great one. We've searched the entire Mwagunze and she's nowhere to be found.
Great one. I'm really sorry for what I made Akugo go through. Please, how can we find her? I need to ask for her forgiveness.
Quiet one. You are very heartless. You don't deserve her forgiveness. She could have died for what you made her pass through. It was never her fault that your husband got her pregnant.
I am sorry, Great One. I was envious of sharing my husband with her.
Fate! She was destined to give birth to the prince of Omago's kingdom. In spite of you made her pass through, she still gave birth to the prince of Omago's kingdom.
Great One. Is Igwe Chidebube really Akugo's son? Is he the product of that pregnancy?
The gods are wise. The wisdom of men is foolishness unto the gods. How could you have explained to the people that you gave birth to Chidebube when they ask you? How?
Your Majesty, I'm speaking the mind of other members of the elders and council. You see, I am a whole to ministry because we never observed the queen pregnant all of a sudden, she has a son. So what we are saying is that the throne of this kingdom is not for strangers. So we want proof that this boy is actually from your loins. That's what we are saying, Your Majesty.
His Majesty, Wazico, you've heard him. What do you have to say?
Nothing. I have absolutely nothing to say. The Ezemo is here. What else do I have to say?
Your Majesty, once again, I greet you. I am here today because I know that today is going to be remarkable. Today, the truth will be revealed. Let me have the baby. If this baby is the prince and the heir apparent to the throne, he will live. But if he is a stranger, impersonated as a prince at the touch of my spiritual staff, he will die. Our queen, I ask again, is this your son?
Yes, Ezemo.
Gods of our land, this is the time to reveal the truth. If this baby is truly the heir apparent, let him live at the touch of my spiritual staff. But if he's a stranger, let him go the way of mortals. The gods have spoken. The baby is from the loins, and his feet.
The gods are wise. But the gods were praised.
You see,
at last.
Thank God.
You are surprised. You are surprised how it happened. You now know the process which you got the baby from.
Yes. I got the baby from Ako, the midwife.
Someone took the baby from where Akugo dropped her to go to search for food and water. Somebody came and took the baby from where Akugo dropped him. When Akugo came back, she thought the baby has been stolen. She placed a curse on anyone who must have taken her baby. And that is how and why the royal family is under that curse till today. And the curse is on any family that the baby will be living under their roof. And that is how the royal family is under that curse. And only through the words of her mouth that the curse can be reversed as long as she lives.
I now believe, Great One. Please, how can we find her? I will do anything. Help us find her, please.
Wise one. It appears you are our last hope. Please, help me find my mother. Please.
Sister, my dear,
Amaka is indeed very lucky to have married someone like Chima. The guy is so rich.
Eh? You can say that again. One name. You can say that again. Hey! Did you see the class of dignitaries that came for this traditional wedding?
My sister, I got scared the way they were spraying money.
As in, people are rich. There are so many rich people in this marriage. As in, I've never seen today. I've seen rich people.
And Chima has big friends with big cars. Spraying money like it's nothing. Eh?
Hey. Where are they seeing this money, sir?
I don't know.
Hey! It is well. Thank God. I'm happy for her.
Well, I wish them a happy home. Yes, so.
And I pray for them that this their marriage will produce both male and female children.
Amen, oh, amen. Amen. Amaka is a nice girl. She deserves Chima. She deserves Chima.
Yes, so let's celebrate her so that very soon,
our
it will be our turn.
Yes, so my sister.
We are to celebrate very soon.
Let's go and enjoy this.
Let's go and join it too.
Let's go.
So that we'll meet.
Aqua. Mother.
What are you doing in my palace? I don't know how. Please. Ijelengwe, I am so sorry. I know I have wronged you greatly. I'm not worthy to lie.
What did I do to you that you planned to terminate my life and that of my son?
Please forgive me. Forgive me. I allowed envy and hatred to take better part of me. I am sorry. Please, if for nothing, for the sake of your son, Chidebu, please.
I knew that you would come here. You see, what belongs to me stays mine.
Great Ijelamai, because of my mistakes in the past, your son Chidebu has suffered a lot. He's suffering from the cause. Please, I beg you, kindly reverse the cause so that he will be a free man. Biko.
The curse can only be reversed if I get reinstated in the palace as the queen.
There's no problem about that. There's no problem at all. If the palace is yours, please come back to the palace and take what rightfully belongs to you.
You cannot cover up for too long, and you cannot hide the truth for too long.
Find it in your heart to forgive. I bless the gods today I found out that you were my mother. Please, mother, come and take your rightful place as queen.
But you cannot claim it finally.
I can't do that. You first have to liaise with the elders. They would tell you what to do.
Elders in council, she said you know what.
She's right. She was duly married by your father Igwe Abodikisu. Queen Akudo tried to kill her and she ran away.
She has never had the opportunity to be in the palace as a queen.
That means we have to pacify her father's kinsmen, appease their gods before she can come back into this palace.
That is the right thing to do. And they call it that is to bring back the woman.
In that case, whatever you need will be provided, as long as you do it fast and you do it right. Have I made myself clear?
Gods of our land, spirits of our ancestors, though I have human eyes, you gave me the power to see you and talk to you. You have been there for me. You are here with me, and you would continue to be with me. Gods of our land, I speak the language of the gods because you gave me the power to do so. I understand what you tell me. I come today to say thank you. Everything has settled. But I beg of one thing from you all. The curse! The curse that I put on the royal family that took in my son. I beg you, from the bottom of my heart, to please take away the curse. The gods are always wise, and that is why you took my son to his father. Even though he never realized that young child that took in happens to be his son. Thank you, gods of our land. I beg of you, bring peace into the royal family. Lift up that curse and let them find peace once and for all.
Today is a very remarkable day in our lives and the entire indigenous community. I invited you all so that you can witness an unveiling truth. It might be sad, it might be bitter, but it must be said. Nchuanwu, Asili, go in and like I said earlier, whoever solves this puzzle will earn an instant reward. Please, I want you all to look at this beautiful woman. Aside my family, the royal household, and the elders in council, whoever tells me who this woman standing here is will earn an instant reward.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Speak.
I know I am blind, but my instinct tells me that she is a great woman, the mother of a great man.
great people of Umuagunze. The rejected stone, the forbidden stone, has become the chief cornerstone. By my left here is Aku, the one you all call Aga. What? She is my biological mother. Hey! Not just that, the queen mother. She is the one my father got pregnant, and I happen to be the result of that pregnancy.
She is Akwaogo, the queen mother. You're welcome.
Thank you, Onowu.
Welcome, Akugo.
Thank you.
Welcome back, Mother.
Thank you, sir.
By the power conferred in me as king, Chidebube of Umuagunze, I integrate you back to this kingdom. Not just as my mother, but as the queen mother. Put your hands together for me.
Your Majesty.
You're being able to answer the quiz that my son presented has earned you a blessing. That information was made known to you by the gods. Can someone get him water to wash his eyes?
Leprosy! Your Majesty. Water! I see you all are surprised. Huh? More surprises below.
For so long, but you cannot claim it finally when truth have come. Now when you go see woke, as you say, onye we nwa bolu nwa ya.
Hey! I can see! I can see! You go try it. Oh! Akugo! The great one, thank you! Thank you!
You should thank the gods.
This is red cap. This is red cap. Yes. I can see!
Thank the gods. Thank the gods.
Alright, everyone. The reception of this great occasion will be at the village square. So all road leads to the village square. There'll be a lot to eat, to drink. It's a very remarkable day, as I said earlier. Isn't it? Put your hands together.